Here we have Benchmade's Phaeton. This is the 4600 DLC-1. DLC is the diamond-like coating over the blade, and then the -1 is this bronze, or as they call it, the dark flat earth. This is my favorite out the front of all of the ones that we carry and all of the ones that we've seen. I particularly like it that it's not doubled edge. I don't like the look of daggers. And I don't like the functionality of them. This is just a nice classic drop point. When I use knives, inevitably my thumb will figure out a way to be on the back of the spine because I sharpen a lot of pencils, I whittle a bit, and I will cut myself on a dagger because I will put my thumb up there and get cut. This comes standard with a deep carry pocket clip in CPM S30V steel with the blade coating, like I said, and it's just got a great look. Double action, in and out the front, absolutely love it all day long. This model, you'll notice, is much slimmer than the Infidels or even the Autocrats. They put the firing mechanism up top, which I like, and it's just a really comfortable knife. Even in my big hand, I can just pinch the sides of it. It's deep enough here to be comfortable, and honestly, like I've said, it's just one of my favorite, or if not my favorite, out the front that we've seen. And we've seen a lot of different companies come through the shop for sharpening, Microtex, Hogues, Protex, the whole range of them, and I just like the feel of this one. I like the functionality of it, and think it's a great looking knife, and that color combination is just stellar. So it's on the website. It is readily for sale. Take a look at the website for all the sizing and pricing information, and thanks for watching.